Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my page. How you all doing today? So guys, in here I have my green tea, I have clove, I have flower seeds, and I have peppermint leaf as well. So now I'm going to transfer everything inside my blender. So this blender, I got it for Shein and it's so amazing. This blender, they blend very well. Anything blendable, we can blend it for you. So I'm just going to transfer them inside my amazing blender so we can pieces this amazing hair growth ingredients for me. So to my subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are so amazing. If you are here for the first time, you are also welcome. Thank you for now. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate. You are on Facebook, please don't forget to follow my page. Follow my page so that you will not miss out any of my video. So I don't blend and finish. As you can see how smooth this is. Oh my goodness, this thing, it blend down like a pieces and a crush. The way it blend and not be here. So I want to transfer that inside my jar. So here now inside here for infuse my oil. Okay, I'm making this one for my friend. She have dandruff, she have slow to grow, her hair is not growing well. So and she also have dandruff under her scalp, so I'm just going to make this product for her to use to grow her hair, at the same time treat her dandruff as well. Okay, so you can use any oil of your choice at this point, any oil when you know say your hair they like. So for me, I'm going to be using sunflower oil. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, grapeseed oil. There are so many options of oil that you can choose for, but I'm using sunflower oil. So I'm going to be adding that. So you can add as many quantity you want. So now we can have to fill the bottle when you use so that there will be space. So I'm going to infuse this for 7 days. You can just put it on hot water and start using it the next day. Okay, so I'll just infuse this for 7 days because I want the product to be super effective. So yeah, that is exactly what I'm going to do. So after putting the oil, so I'm going to take my time to mix it very well inside so that the oil and the powder can combine very well together. Okay, so just take your time to mix it. You can put it on hot water if you want, but I did not put mine on hot water. I just allow it to infuse on its own. So I'm going to be adding more oil to this. Okay, it's super good when you want to grow your hair, treat any type of scalp infection issue that you have. Is very good to treat that. Okay, so I'm still going to add more oil, guys. Pour oil, put not this thing when you want to use oil. Put plenty oil. Abi, when they put plenty oil. Say the laugh because I can't do voiceover for me. Salute. So guys, today I see the mix am, make sure say I mix am well so that everything go enter. So after I don mix am finish now, I come hold the spoon, make everything now, make anything now mix at all. After I don hold the spoon, I come cover am, I come keep am for 7 days. Okay, so after 7 days, I come carry am come outside. Here na my oil, as you can see. So I can bring out my bowl with my sauce cap, pour am inside so that there will be no residue under my oil. Okay, so yeah, I can comot the sauce cap. I can use my hand take press am, press out the oil. That is what we need. All the oil is what we need. So I can use my hand to press the oil out. So I still leave for some minutes so that the oil go settle down. If there's still any residue on that, so I will just get that out. Okay, I get helping hand for here. This one won't help me. Please guys, don't forget to follow, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Okay, if you have any hair issue that you are dealing with, just comment it at the comment section below. We are going to treat it together. Okay, so this is how I make this effective hair growth oil for dandruff, for itchy scalp, for anything that your hair is going through. Okay, so this is my bottle. I will transfer it inside this bottle, then I will go and deliver it to my friend for her to start using. Thanks for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.